Hello, my name is Louis Marandola, and this is my video about hydrophobic and hydrophilic substances. The definition of hydrophilic is water-loving. Hydro meaning water and philic meaning strong attraction. Hydrophilic substances have polar molecules. This allows water, another polar molecule, to dissolve them. An example of a hydrophilic substance would be sugar, or more specifically, glucose. Glucose diffuses in water, meaning that water moves from a high concentration to a low concentration of these molecules. Although glucose contains both hydrophilic and hydrophobic parts, its electronegativity allows it to dissolve in water. So, if placed in a beaker of water, the glucose molecules would dissolve until only the water could be seen. The definition of hydrophobic is water-fearing. Hydro again meaning water, and phobic meaning to fear. Usually, hydrophobic molecules are nonpolar, which means they have no electric charge for water to form hydrogen bonds with. These substances have no nonpolar molecules that clump together, causing the hydrophobic characteristic. An example of a hydrophobic substance would be plant leaves. They have a hydrophobic coating that allows them to repel the water they interact with. If they did not have this coating, the water that is absorbed would disrupt the flow of nutrients from root to leaf. Even aquatic plants have a hydrophobic substance to regulate the nutrients flowing in one direction. Marine birds also have a hydrophobic coat on their feathers that allows them to shed water. So if one were to dip a duck feather in a beaker of water and then pull it back out, the water would fall off the feather and leave the feather dry. Thank you for watching.